Today, we're going to practice eye acupoint massage. These points are around the eyes, most of them, and they greatly benefit the eyes, but also the meridians that go throughout the body. So they benefit the whole body. They benefit the face, so it can be like a little mini facelift. We also have some other points that we're going to hit around the head region. So this is done at the end of my Qigong routine. But you can take this and use it any time, such as you've got tired eyes from looking at the screen too long or whatever, just tired eyes, right? Allergy problems, uh, scratchy, itchy, red eyes. So we start off with, let's rest our eyes. So close your eyes and just follow my instructions with your eyes closed. You're going to rub your palms together and warm up your palms. And then you place your warm palms over your closed eyes. And you just let that warmth sink in from your palms into your eyes. Enjoy the darkness and that warmth and the stillness. And then softly, slowly, just blink open your eyes. Let some light in. Pat or lift your palms. Allow more light in. Now you can see me. Using your index finger or your middle finger, whichever one feels comfortable to you, we're going to rub some points around the eyes. Your hands do need to be clean. And we're going to start with the inner corner of the eye. So we start inner corner of the eye. And we just breathe as we rub with the finger pads in a circular motion. Then we go up, inner corner of the eyebrow. And we swipe from the inner corner of the eyebrow to the outer corner of the eyebrow. Do that a few times. And as you swipe, feel for the point in the middle, right above the pupil, which is the next point. There's a little divot in there. Then we go out to the outer corner of the eyebrow. Then we go down outer corner of the eye. Swipe under the eyes. While you do that, feel for a point along that bone, right underneath the pupil. Back up to where we started, inner corner of the eye. Now down the ridge of the nose, swipe a few times. Swipe down the base of the nose and feel for the divots at the bottom of the nose as you do that. It's there where we're going next. With the palms around the temples, breathing nicely behind the ears. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my ears with my palms to create a vacuum. And there are points at the base of the skull that are going to drum, we're going to drum against. "24 times. And that is our eye acupoint massage.